Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today I decided to do a video because I found it again. This is a Megalodon tooth, a prehistoric shark tooth. I had gotten it from a lady named Jess. She sent it to me because I actually won a contest many years ago to go searching for these Megalodon teeth. But I couldn't afford the trip and I don't know how to scuba dive. So, anyways, I didn't take the contest. Anyways, so she sent me one of her Megalodon teeth because she lives somewhere where she can get them quite often. She can find them quite often on the shore. So this is the tooth. They come in different qualities, like some aren't chipped, some have more of the whiter, stuff on the tooth. It just depends on how the weather and ocean and stuff like that treats it. But I just thought it was really cool and I wanted to share. So here's the back side of the tooth. You can see the front side there. This one does have a small chip right here. It doesn't want to focus very well on the tooth so much, but yeah, that's the Megalodon tooth, a prehistoric shark. And it is real. So I mean, you can actually find these on in the ocean, and sometimes certain beaches they'll wash up on. But you can find these out there. I would have loved to have actually taken that trip, but I didn't have the money. Wasn't expecting to actually win the trip, but I guess at the time it was a Facebook contest. And at the time, not too many people entered, so he decided to take everybody that had entered. And I just didn't think I would win, actually, so I didn't think I would have to actually pay for the trip. I probably shouldn't even have entered, but I really wanted to maybe save up for it, but he was going to have the trip way too soon, so I didn't get a chance to save up enough for it. But that's what a Megalodon tooth looks like, or at least the one that I got from her collection. So, yeah, little bit of prehistoric animal in my hand. So, I'm very excited about it. Now that I've found it again, it's going to go on a shelf, so I never misplace it again. But yeah, so there you go, everybody. I thought maybe you would enjoy that. I'll get a little bit closer and try to zoom in so you can see it a little bit better. Sorry, today is a very gray, overcast day at my old apartment, so lighting isn't the best. But anyways, alright, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Sorry about the shaking. Bye for now.